Alright, so as you see, I got the JetPoil Genesis Basecamp cooking system all set up. Propane is on this side. I forgot to mention in my last video, it came with this little windscreen that clips on right underneath there. And then you light it once you turn this thing full blast. This is the ignition. You just pull it out and it's supposed to start. So that's it right there. My brother made this little kitchen setup from this table he bought off Temu. It's nice. He put the little bowl in there for the water, little water nostrils right there. So, pretty cool. So that's the setup for the kitchen. What we're gonna be cooking at. Let me turn the water off and go sleep. There you go. So that's the setup for the kitchen. I'll let you know how the cooking goes on the JetBoil Genesis system right here. Like I said, it looks nice. Easy setup as you see. We'll see how it goes. Using the frying pan, got it going. It fit 3, 4, or 5 burgers in there. This is not bad. Not bad at all. Easy to start. They're looking real crispy, but. So as a wrap up, the JetBoil's handling great this weekend. I had a great time. We used 2 burners at the same time. We had a little, log flat pan going across cooking on both. It worked out great. So if you're interested, pick up the JetBoil system. You're gonna love it. See you in the next video.